But the beautiful first trade of the day here. I mean, you got triple agreement. The dot is the 1 minute. If it's red, it's on a sell signal. If it's blue, it's on a buy. It's one or the other. The cross is the 2 minute signal. The arrow is the 3 minute signal. Well, there's the first time they're all red. So right here at the close of that 1 minute, actually right here at the close of this red bar, we're going to go short, right around 69.17. So we always trade a minimum of 2 contracts. Most trade more, but I keep it very conservative, just at 2, no less than 2. And we take 1 contract off after 2 points. So we hit that in 2 minutes. On the second contract, we wait for double green. Well, there's 2 green in a row. You never, ever get out on a red bar. You got to wait for 2 green in a row. And eventually, right about here, we are stopped out when it goes through our stop. So we pick up 2 points on the first contract, and we pick up 4 points on the second contract. Well, that's a net profit of 6 points. It's a $300 start, which is a great start. Okay, now we get it. After we get stopped out, we look for the re-entry, and now we look for a sweet spot. It means it's got to hit the red dot first. So there we go. There. Why there? Because the oscillator is red. We got to have 4 algorithms, time frames, and indicators. All the calculations have to be red for a re-entry. So we're going to go short again. 2 contracts. We hit the 2 points in 2 minutes. Now, by the way, the original stop, same thing over here, starts 1 point above the top of the triple sell signal, which would be right there. So we pick up 2 points on the first contract. We get stopped out on the second contract right about break even. Let's call it 1 point loss. Next trade is right here because there's your sweet spot. Again, now if this was a losing sweet spot, no more sweet spots. Once we have 1 losing sweet spot, now we've got to wait for a reversal, all blue. But this is a losing trade right here. Because again, stops 1 point above. We didn't hit the 2 points on the first contract, so we lost on that trade right there. So, got a little profit going, nothing crazy. But the market isn't really moving much, except for that really nice opening trade. So we got a triple buy signal here, and we lost because the stop goes 1 point below the bottom of the blue bar. So small loss, but a loss. Okay, now we've got a now we've got a no trade zone there. We saved a bunch of money there because anybody that doesn't have AbleTrend, you're going to get killed there. It's just a choppy, sideways, narrow trading range. But that's a valid, it's only a 2 point loss, but 1 point, but times 2 contracts. But that's a triple sell signal. So a triple buy signal, triple blue. So we lost on that trade. There's a no trade zone. And then clearly that's a really nice winning trade because you have triple sell all along, triple red. Hit the 2 points down here, 1 point above, never hit it. Double green and a stop out there. So 2 points on the first contract. Let's call it 2 on the second. That's a net of 4 points. Makes up for the little bit of losing trades earlier. Look at this sideways narrow trading range. Look at this choppy thing, no trade. And then a really nice winning trade right here. Triple buy signal. Blue bar, blue dot, blue cross, blue arrow. You got your 2 points right away. There's double green, so there's where your stop is. There's double green, and we'd be stopped out there. So 2 points on both the first and second contract. We make 4 points again. Now we're clearly into lunchtime. And one of my favorite times of the day to trade is 1:30 Eastern time. And this was a really good winner right here. You got your 2 points after a couple of minutes. Here's double green and then a stop out. So you got 2 points on the first contract. You got 3 on the second. It's a net profit of 5 points. 5 point winner right there. That's $250. And then you got a re-entry right here. You got your clearly within 1 point of the dot, sweet spot, blue oscillator. So you got a re-entry right there. You got your 2 points again right away. So every time you hit that, that's $100. There, we don't get double green till here, and then eventually we're stopped out. So 2 points on the first contract, 4 on the second. That's a net of 6 points. It's a $300 winner, 6 points profit. Triple buy signal right there. Easily gets you 2 points on the first contract. But then we lost 2 on the second. So it was a break even. And then we've got a triple sell right here. Clearly you've got triple red about the last 20 minutes of the day. We've got you 2 points right away, double green, and then a stop out, which is basically the end of the day anyhow. So that was a nice ending for the day. We picked up 2 plus 4 equals 6 points profit, which would be $300. And that's it. That was the end of the day. So yeah, it was a good day. Keep in mind tomorrow's Fed day at 2 o'clock Eastern. So wherever you are around the world, 2 o'clock New York time, Eastern time. You don't want to be in the market at that moment because it's going to go pretty wacky. Now, at 2:30 Eastern, 30 minutes later, it's usually a great time to trade the final 90 minutes of the day because Powell talks at 2:30 Eastern. So usually the last 90 minutes, depending on what he says, you're going to get a big trend one way or the other.